We've been ADT customers for 10 years, but since I am working from home now, didn't feel like I should pay $65 a month for home security with very little home automation. I started looking for alternatives a few months before my ADT contract expired and came across Konnected. After reading the reviews and asking a ton of questions to the community, I pulled the trigger and ordered it. Konnected has excellent step-by-step instructions on their site, and I was able to take bedrooms, back of house, front of house and doors and separate them into their own zones. This, along. I can also add them to routines for better automation. When the front door opens after dark, if nobody is home, turn on the kitchen and living room lights. I've added all the sensors into Alexa so that I can ask Alexa if any doors or windows are open and, if I wanted to, have her announce when a door or window is open. Konnected is a great product that. These things are awesome. Used all the existing hardwired sensors to retrofit my house into a smart home. I had an old NV8X system in a home I bought that was only good for beeping whenever a door was open. I got tired of changing batteries in my wireless SmartThings sensors, so once I caught wind of this I got really excited. It took me about 2 hours to install and another to get all set up in the app. There is a slight delay in actions, opening something, and triggering a scene or switch, as that's what we deal with when SmartThings needs a remote server to contact first. Hopefully that's resolved in the future, but for now. My entire home's wired system is accessible by my SmartThings app and routines. No more batteries to change, and no more ugly alarm keypads on walls around my house. I can do a lot of automation and alerting now that are really helpful. Alert me when rain is on the way and I've left a window open. Thanks. Watch YouTube videos from Konnected to get a good understanding of what needs done. Linked mine to SmartThings Hub. I've had the Konnected alarm kit for 4 months and love it. It takes your existing wired alarm sensors and connects them via Wi-Fi. You can then use a smart hub, Samsung SmartThings, Home Assistant, Hubitat and OpenHAB. Then you monitor/receive alerts via your phone and text messages. Their tech support is beyond amazing. Any question or issue I had with my in-home wiring they help troubleshoot. Would recommend to everyone. I'm very impressed with the Konnected I/O kit. It took me about 2 hours to install. I did read a lot and watched the company's videos. I choose this kit to ease into a Konnected alarm. Click link in description for more reviews.